मेरा नाम सनी है। मेरे फर्म का नाम है ड्रिंक गैजेट स्टोर।
Hello everyone, this is KV Komalakin. I come from Hyderabad.
It is a platform where so many people are meeting and they are learning from experience from other people.
It was a great event.
आप सब जानते हैं कि अभी भारत विकसित भारत का सपना देख रहा है 2047 तक का। ऐसे समय में ऐसे कार्यक्रमों के जरिए तमाम सारे लोगों को नई पहचान मिलती है।
Hi, my name is Vibhan Jain and I'm the Managing Director of Giant Pillar Infotech.
This event is a huge opportunity for us.
ऐसा होते रहना चाहिए, जो कि एक अच्छा मोटिवेशन है, इंस्पिरेशन एक अंदर से मिलता है कि यू आर डूइंग अ गुड जॉब और इन अ राइट डायरेक्शन।
Entrepreneurs Media presents International Icon of Excellence Awards 2024. We'll celebrate the achievements of some truly remarkable individuals over here. International Icon of Excellence Awards 2024 is an exclusive event with great offerings under one roof. It is an initiative to facilitate all the deserving entrepreneurs, professionals, business owners, startup, founders, and the organization from across Asia for their achievements in their respective fields and industries.
I'm a consultant physiotherapist and I have been working in this field since last 10 years and I have treated more than 12,000 of people. तो हॉस्पिटल्स में भी इसकी काफ़ी नीड होती है कि हम लोगों को डिस्चार्ज भी नहीं मिलता है पेशेंट्स को विदाउट एनी फिजियोथेरेपी। तो बेसिकली फिजियोथेरेपी का रोल ही है कि आपको बहुत मोबाइल रखे, मोबिलिटी बेहतर रखे, आपकी मूवमेंट को रखे, स्ट्रेंथ रखे, आपकी मसल स्ट्रेंथ बेहतर हो। तो ये सारी चीज़ें होती हैं जो कि पहले लोग अवेयर नहीं थे, लेकिन अब काफ़ी हद तक लोग अवेयर हो चुके हैं इसके लिए। जैसा कि आज भी एक ये इवेंट हुआ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप वाला, तो इसमें ऐसा होते रहना चाहिए, जो कि एक अच्छा मोटिवेशन है, इंस्पिरेशन एक अंदर से मिलता है कि यू आर डूइंग अ गुड जॉब और इन अ राइट डायरेक्शन। तो आप बहुत बेहतर कर रहे हैं, इससे आपको एक इंस्पिरेशन मिलकर कॉन्फिडेंट आप होते हैं और कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल आपका बढ़ता है, तो आप और आगे बढ़ते ही चले जाते हैं। और आपको इससे ये है कि आपको नहीं, आज मैंने इतना अचीव किया, मुझे और अचीव करना है और इससे बेहतर करना है, तो आप इम्प्रोवाइजेशन पे थोड़ा वर्क करते हैं।
मेरा नाम सनी है। मेरे फर्म का नाम है ड्रिंक गैजेट स्टोर। वो मालनगर में बेस्ड है। हम डील करते हैं मोबाइल फ़ोन, ऑल गैजेट्स। मतलब अगर आपको ए से लेकर जेड तक कोई भी गैजेट चाहिए हो, हम आपको दे सकते हैं वो। हम अगर आप बोलोगे हेल्प करने के लिए, हम लोग आज के टाइम पे हेल्प कर रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स की। लाइक आजकल जो टेक्नोलॉजी के बगैर हम पढ़ाई भी नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो अपने पास बच्चों के लिए, बड़ों के लिए, बूढ़ों के लिए, हर टाइप के लोगों के लिए गैजेट्स हैं हमारे पास। अगर आप बिजनेस करोगे, उसमें आप अपने मालिक बन जाओगे। आप अपने जो काम करोगे, जो मेहनत करोगे, अपने लिए करोगे। अगर आप कहीं पे जॉब कर रहे हो, जॉब करना भी अच्छी बात है, बट अगर आप जॉब कर रहे हो, जो कमा रहे हो, वो तो किसी के और के लिए कमा रहे हो। बिजनेस करोगे तो अपने लिए कमाओगे।
Hello everyone, this is KV Komalakin. I come from Hyderabad. I am an undergraduate student. I recently graduated from VNR Veja IIT College, Hyderabad. So the product, what we made is a solution It is a solution for a problem called as distributed denial of service. It is a cybersecurity attack So this cyber attack almost like damages 13 to 14% of retail industries and almost major percent of most of the sectors with the data leaks or whatever attack privileges to. So the product what we made is actually a AI product. It's also like mentioning precisely the AI product. It belongs to an explainable AI product. So this explainable AI product, whatever I was just mentioning about, gives you a clear information at what step, what's happening, and there's nothing like we're hiding or something. It's transparent. So in this way, like we've developed this product, and also like telling about the ecosystem, whatever way I'm into. I'm into like technical ecosystem. Also interested in startup whatever startup ecosystem we are having now. And let me tell you very clearly, now I'm a technical guy, but I always have this passion of being an entrepreneur. So coming into this entrepreneurship, taking risks, and of course being self-confident are main features what I feel.
Hi everyone, I am Avigna. Myself and my team has come here to present our applications, Innovation of the Year and Next Gen AI Diagnosis Application of the Year. We are from VNR Vidyanjyoti Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad, and we are from the Department of Information Technology. This event is a huge opportunity for us. Technology for people to reach stages like this are much important, and we have developed these applications to foster trust in medical care, especially when AI is imposed in medical care. And we are happy that we have produced really great accuracies in achieving this. And we have used all the explainable methods, and all the methods that we are employed are statistical methods, mathematics, which is nothing but universe, and it is just a symbol of proof. We hope that this stage helps us connect our innovation to the people. Development of an application or bringing up any innovation will come into life only when stages like this come into existence, and it is very important that these stages and students collaborate. That is only when real innovation will be useful in real life.
Okay, my name is Vivek Chauhan. I am currently as an executive pastry chef in La Meridian Hotel, New Delhi, and I am connected with few associations from London as well, because since I have worked 14 years there. So at the moment I have been a culinary ambassador for CSF as well, which is Chefs Sans Frontiers, and is headed by our president, Mr. Alan Thompson, who is the British ambassador for food and culinary. And it's a good passion work, so I really enjoy it. Being 25 years in the industry, I have worked with so many hotels, where being 14 years in London, I have been with the Hilton, the Westbury, Savoy, Claridge's. And I started here from Imperial when I came back in 2016, and now I am at La Meridian. So it's an amazing journey, and with your help and support, I'm doing well. For every work, there is a time, and you really need to refine your skills. So like when we say, like for myself, when people come from colleges, we ask them to be clear with their basics. If the basics are clear, then they can jump into the industry well, but they have to groom up themselves, and they need time. It is not a cup of tea like we can just jump into the industry and start working. So please learn from your mentors, and especially today I've seen so many entrepreneurs, their journeys, with their experience. I will say follow them, follow their footprints and learn from them. Then you will definitely succeed, and they are here to help to enrich your skills. It is a platform where so many people are meeting, and they are learning from experience from other people, and it's always a good stuff when you learn from other experience. For me, I will say it was an experience for me where I was learning from others for free. Otherwise, you have to go through some trainings, you have to go from learnings from videos, a lot of other stuff. You have to go for some crash courses. But here, you were sitting with so many fellow friends, and who also said to you straight away that if you seek any help, you can always call us and you can learn from us. So this was good and amazing, and it will be good for our young generation. Thank you.
This is Imran Khan, a cosmetologist and the founder and chairman managing director of Fesderma India Private Limited. And it's a cosmeceutical company, and we have been catering to all across India and globe, to various SAARC countries. And we also have a little bit of products which have been used by our dermatologists and aestheticians and saloon owners. You know, it was a great event. They have done a great job, and the first time I'm attending here. I have got many awards like Dada Saheb Phalke, APJ Abdul Kalam, Gandhi Ratna Award and all, you know. But, you know, I found this awards functions to be very entertaining as well because, you know, various culturally events were also there, you know. I was very happy to be here in Delhi and to receive this International Icon Excellence Award over here. Thank you so much, Mr. Ankur and Mr. Gulpreet, for organizing such a great event.
हेलो चेंज मेकर्स, मैं सुमान सिंह, चेयरमैन इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस स्टार्टअप एंड एंटरप्रेन्योर्स एसोसिएशन। आज इस इंटरनेशनल एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड में आने का मौका मिला और मैं पहले भी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स मीडिया के कार्यक्रमों में आया हूँ। यहाँ पर आने के बाद मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि एक अच्छी नेटवर्किंग होती है और उस नेटवर्किंग के जरिए हम बहुत सारे अच्छे लोगों से भी मुलाकात करते हैं। मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ कुलप्रीत आहूजा जी का और अंकुर सरीन जी का, जो हर साल तमाम एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को नई पहचान देते हैं और एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को आगे बढ़ाने में अपना योगदान दे रहे हैं। और आप सब जानते हैं कि अभी भारत विकसित भारत का सपना देख रहा है 2047 तक का। ऐसे समय में ऐसे कार्यक्रमों के जरिए तमाम सारे लोगों को नई पहचान मिलती है। तो उस पहचान के मिलने के बाद मार्केट से उनकी सेल्स भी बढ़ती है। मैं फिर से एक बार धन्यवाद देता हूँ एंटरप्रेन्योर्स मीडिया का। थैंक यू।
Hi, my name is Vivansh Jain and I'm the managing director of Giant Pillar Infotech. So we are a renowned residential construction company. We are based out of South Delhi. We've done more than, I guess, somewhere around 300 projects in a time span of more than 30 years. So we are a family business. We are operating a family business. And I'm sure इतनी events like these जहाँ पे इतनी motivation हमें मिलती है. I believe कि जितने भी youngsters हैं उनको भी आना चाहिए, उनको ऐसे इवेंट ज़रूर अटेंड करने चाहिए। मोटिवेशन मिलती है, साथ ही साथ आगे बढ़ने की प्रेरणा मिलती है। So that's what I believe, and Entrepreneurs Media has always been a very great company to acknowledge such entrepreneurs and businessmen. कभी भी डीमोटिवेट मत होइएगा और ना ही कभी हार मानिए। हमेशा कर्म प्रधान बनिए, कर्म करते जाइए, फल की चिंता मत कीजिए, आगे बढ़ते जाओ और अपनी सक्सेस को प्राप्त करिए।
This is Dr. G. Suresh Reddy from the IT department. We are now Vijnana Jyoti Institute of Engineering and Technology. As part of innovation, we have presented our 5 different applications which we have developed in this Entrepreneur Media innovation event selection of the projects. So our projects have been selected. We have best 5 projects been selected from the department. As per the department, we encourage students to go for these kind of events and present their innovation, which helps them become entrepreneurs in the coming years. Apart from that, department encourages in all-round activities. As such, Department of Information has been established in the year 1997, and now the current intake is 180. And apart from that, this college, VNR Vijnana Jyoti Institute of Engineering Technology, offers various branches of engineering, right from computer science to information technology to all other related like mechanical, civil, automobile. Apart from that, allied branches like AI/ML, data science, cybersecurity, IoT. Okay, these are the leading branches as well as we have EIE, EEE, as well as EC. So these are the branches. Apart from that, we have 13 PG courses where you can enroll yourself for the PG studies. I am the in charge of PG studies and as well as discipline committee. Former, I was the IDH HOD for more than 12.5 years for the Department of Information Technology. So I thank once again for giving me the opportunity for representing our students for this innovation. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Vijay Karumanchi. We started Trendia.co. It's a marketplace for Indians living outside India. We started this right after first lockdown with mainly focusing on food and jewelry and clothing categories, and eventually we started home decor as well. Recently, almost around 9 months back, we opened our first physical store in US. We actually working with a lot of artisans and different artists directly across India, right from Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Moradabad, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, we are trying to provide some opportunities to the artisans as well. At the same time, taking these products to the global market.
Namaskaram, my name is Sampurna. I'm the operating head of Trendia Global. What Trendia Global does is it tries to bring genuine products that are made in remote places of our country, and it provided a platform for people that are living abroad. Anyone that is interested in buying or experiencing anything that has to do with artwork from India, or a food, a snack, pickle, clothes, we are the platform for you. So this is primarily the motto of our website. This is an excellent platform because this is the place where like-minded people get together and know each other's strengths, and maybe within the extended community that are meeting here in a room have some kind of a global aspirations, how we can help each other. The sources become genuine, and most importantly, there is a primary connect between the people. It's not like I'm trying to find a solution for a problem through somebody else. I know it right away because I've met that person or that business leader through platforms like this.
Like using this platform, any message for the young generation who wants to start their own business with the great mindset?
Absolutely. One thing that I feel is do research, be authentic, go to places, find out. For anything in the world right now, for anything, right from a simple pen to expensive jewelry, there are a lot of market, there are a lot of people that are making a different price point. So just try and put that effort and be genuine. Go do your research and decide who's the right person, who do you want to connect with, and then put that on your platform, because it's your image that is getting affected.
Hello, I'm Akanksha. He's Sai Manish. She's Rukmini. He's Pranay. And he's Srinivasan. We are from Vienna VJIT, Hyderabad. We are here for our nomination called Cyber Security Application of the Year. We came all the way from Hyderabad to Delhi for this event. We feel very fortunate enough to be present at this event. This is all possible because of our guide, Dr. V. Radhakrishna from Vienna VJIT.
So our application and our solution comes up with the explainable machine learning features, which actually helps in detecting different kinds of network attacks with high accuracy and also good and better detection rate, I can say.
Thank you for encouraging all the budding entrepreneurs and innovators by bringing up such a huge platform for us to showcase our applications and innovations. So yeah, thank you to everyone who is a part of Entrepreneurs Media.